So in this lecture, now we will take problems of the determinant. First example is using the properties of the determinant, prove that x plus 4 2x x plus 4 2x and x plus 4 equal to 5x plus 4 into bracket 4 minus x whole square. So let us discuss solution. We will prove LHS equal to RHS. LHS now, if you observe the entries of the determinant, say if we multiplied this by 1, add here, if we multiplied this row by 1, add in the corresponding entries, similarly this by 1. So if we perform R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is second and third row multiplied by 1, add in the corresponding entries of the first row. You can also use column operation for your information. So second and third row multiplied by 1, add in the corresponding entries of the first row. So 2x plus x, that is 5x plus 4. Similarly here 2x plus x plus 2x, so 5x plus 4, and here also it will be 5x plus 4. So we have performed R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So first row is 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, so that you can get idea that we can take 5x plus 4 common from first row. So now let us take 5x plus 4 common from first row using the properties of the determinant. From any row or column we can take common. Here we have taken 5x plus 4 common. Symbolically we denote R1 to 1 upon 5x plus 4 of R1. So 1 1 1 2x x plus 4 2x x plus 4. Now you will get idea. If we multiplied this by minus 1, add here, so C2 to C2 minus C1. So when we perform this, first column is multiplied by minus 1, add in the corresponding entries of second column. So 5x plus 4, first column as it is. Now this multiplied by minus 1, add here 1 minus 1 0, x plus 4 minus 2x, so it is 4 minus x, x plus 4 minus 2x, 2x minus 2x 0. After this perform C3 to C3 minus C1. So now first column is multiplied by minus 1, add in the corresponding entries of third column, 1 minus 1 0, 2x minus 2x 0, again x plus 4 minus 2x, so it will be 4 minus x. So we have performed these two column operation. Now we expand using first row expansion of the determinant 5x plus 4 as it is, 1 into leave the row and column, remaining entry will form 2 by 2 determinant. So this is 4 minus x. So simplification is 5x plus 4, 1 into 4 minus x whole square minus 0. So this is nothing but final simplification is 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. You can observe it is our RHS, right hand side. So we have proved this one given result. So just you observe the entries of the determinant, you will get something common. So here you can get idea, if we multiply second and third row by 1 and add in the corresponding entries first row, immediately you will get 5x plus 4 common from first row. And when there are 3 entries as 1, you make 2 entries as 0 and expand the determinant, immediately you will get result. Next one, next example is prove that y plus k y second column y plus k y, third column y plus k, and we have to prove value of this determinant equal to k square into 3y plus k. So again it is very simple. Solution, we will prove LHS equal to RHS. So let us start with LHS. Y plus k y plus k y. Now you observe the entries of the determinant. If we multiplied second and third row by 1, adding the corresponding entries of this multiplied by 1, adding the corresponding entries of first row, second row multiplied by 1, adding the corresponding entries of first row. So if we perform R1 to R1 plus R2 plus R3, then entries of the first row it will be 3y plus k, 3y plus k, 3y plus k. So you can get idea, we can take 3y plus k common. But here you can also use column operation in place of row operation. You can also perform C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3. You will get same result. So here we have used row operation, but now you can solve same problem with the help of column operation. So now let us perform this operation. So y plus second and third row multiplied by 1, add in the corresponding entries of first row. So y plus k, 3y plus k. Similarly here y plus k plus y. Second and third row multiplied by 1, add in the corresponding entries of first row. So 3y plus k y plus k y plus k. So now you can get idea, we can take 3y plus k common from first row. So let us take 3y plus k common. So 3y plus k we have taken common from first row. Y plus k y, and since we have taken 3y plus k common from first row, so symbolically we denote R1 to 1 upon 3y plus k of R1. Now since 3 entries are 1, you can observe here. So these 2 we will make as 0 using column operation C2 to C2 minus C1 and then C3 to C3 minus C1. So first column multiplied by minus 1 add here, that means C2 to C2 minus C1. After it multiplied column 1 by minus 1, add in the corresponding entries of third column, that is symbolically C3 to C3 minus C1. So these two entry will be 0 and then we will expand using first row. So now let us perform this operation. So first we perform, here we have given reason, first we perform C2 to C2 minus C1. So this is 3y plus k 1 y y. Now multiply this by minus 1, add here. So 1 minus 1 0, y plus k minus y, k y minus 1 0. After it perform C3 to C3 minus C1, 1 minus 1 0, y minus 1 y minus y, that is 0, y plus k minus y, that is k. We have performed these two operations. Now we expand using first row, since two entries are 0. So 3y plus k 1 into 2 by 2 determinant, leave the row and column in which that entry lies as usual, ordinary expansion using first row. So remaining entries will form 2 by 2 determinant. So now expansion is 3y plus k 1 into k square minus 0. So final simplification is k square into 3y plus k. You can observe it is our right hand side. So that is RHS equal to. Next example, prove that using the properties of the determinant, prove that value of the determinant a minus b minus c, 2b, 2c, 2a, b minus c minus a, 2c, 2a, 2b and c minus a minus b equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. So let us discuss solution. Again we will prove LHS equal to RHS. So we start with LHS. A minus b minus c, 2b, 2c, 2a, b minus c minus a, 2c, 2a, 2b, c minus a minus b. Now you focus on two things. First one, entries of the determinant, and next right hand side. So first you can observe, if we multiply this by minus 1, then 2c minus 2c will be 0, and from first column we can take a plus b plus c common. So first we perform c1 to c1 minus c2, that means second column is multiplied by minus 1, adding the corresponding entries of first column. This multiplied by minus 1, add in the, so here a minus b minus c minus 2a, so it will be minus a minus b minus, multiplied this by minus 1, add here, so 2b minus b, that is b minus minus plus, so b plus c plus a, and 2c minus 2c, so this is 0. So we have used column operation, c1 to c1 minus c2, second column is multiplied by minus 1, add in the corresponding entries of the first column. After it, we perform C2 to C2 minus C3. Multiplied this by minus 1, add it here. 2a minus 2a, 0. B minus C minus A minus 2b. So minus A minus B minus. And this multiplied by minus 1, add here. So 2C minus C. C and again minus minus plus. So C plus A plus B. 2A, 2B, C minus A minus B. So you can observe from first column we can take A plus B plus C common. Similarly from second column also we can take A plus B plus C common. So let us take from first column we take A plus B plus C common. So inside there will be minus 1, 1, 0. You can observe here from first column we have taken A plus B plus C common, and symbolically we denote C1 to 1 upon A plus B plus C. C1 to 1 upon A plus B plus C of C1. Taking A plus B plus C common from first. After it, take A plus B plus C common from second column. So inside there will be 0, minus 1, 1. And when we take A plus B plus C common from second column, outside there will be a square, because from column 1 we have taken, and again we have taken A plus B plus C common from second column. So outside it will be A plus B plus C whole square. Now 2A, 2B, C minus A minus B. So now we can expand, or you can make it simple. This is 2A. You can get one more entry as 0. So if we multiply this by 1 and add it here. Okay. So let us perform R32 or R22 R2 plus R3. So this is A plus B plus C whole square. First row as it is, third row as it is. Now third row is multiplied by 1, add in the corresponding entries of second row, that is R2 to R2 plus R3. So 1 plus 0, that is 1, minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, and here it will be 2B plus C minus A minus B, 2B plus C minus A minus B. So that will be minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 plus 1, 0, 2B plus C minus A. So here there will be B plus C minus A. So you can observe in second column, since two entries are 0, so let us expand determinant using second column. And when you expand using second column, you have to follow these rules: plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. So expansion it will be A plus B plus C whole square. Now 1 into 2 by 2 determinant, but which sign you have to take? This sign, since we have since expansion is using second column, so outside there will be minus, we have to give minus sign. Now leave the row and column in which this entries rise, remaining will form 2 by 2 determinant, minus 1 2A, 1 B plus C minus A. So this is the expansion using second column. Leave the column and row in which this entry lies, 1 lies. Remaining will form 2 by 2 determinant minus 1 2A minus 1 2A 1 B plus C minus A 1. Now let us expand. We give this minus sign outside, we take outside A plus B plus C square. Now 1 into minus 1 into, so this is minus B minus C minus minus plus A and minus 2A. So multiplication of principal diagonal entries subtract multiplication of entries of the subsidiary diagonal. So minus 1 into B plus C minus A, that is minus B minus C plus A minus 2A. Further simplification is, this is A plus B plus C whole square. Inside we have simplification, it will be minus A minus B minus C. Here you take minus common, so outside minus minus plus, and A plus B plus C whole square into A plus B plus C. So you can observe it is nothing but A plus B plus C cube, that is our RHS. So which is nothing but our RHS, equal to. Next example, prove that value of the determinant x plus y plus 2z z z x y plus z plus 2x x y y and z plus x plus 2y equal to 2 into bracket x plus y plus z whole cube. We have to prove this thing. Again check the determinant. First column is x plus y plus 2z z z. Second column x y plus z plus 2x and x. Third column is y y z plus x plus 2y, and we have to prove its value equal to 2 times 2 into x plus y plus z whole cube. So we will prove LHS equal to RHS. Solution. Again you observe the entries of the right hand side. First focus on entries of determinant and simultaneously focus on right hand side. Right hand side 2 is common, so you can get, if we multiply this 1 and add here, this by 1 add here. So if we perform C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3, second and third column is multiplied by 1, add in the corresponding entries of first column. So C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So when we perform this LHS, x plus y plus 2z z z x y plus z plus 2x x y y z plus x plus 2y. Now second and third column multiplied by 1, add it the corresponding entries of first column. So now we perform this. We give reason C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So now first column it will be second and third column multiplied by 1, adding the corresponding entries of first column. So here it will be x plus x 2x, y plus y 2y. So 2 times x plus y plus z. Similarly here z plus y plus z plus 2x and y. So 2 times x plus y plus z. Similarly here 2 times x plus y plus z. X y plus z plus 2x, x y y z plus x plus 2y. So performing C1 to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Now you can get idea. We can take 2 into bracket x plus y plus z common from first column. So let us take 2 into x plus y plus z common from first column. So 1 1 1 x y y plus z plus 2x, x y z plus x, z plus x plus 2y. And symbolically we denote C1 to 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z into C1. When we take 2 into x plus y plus z common from first column, symbolically we have to denote it by C1 to 1 upon 2 into x plus y plus z of C1. Suppose you take 5 common from second column, so C2 to 1 upon 5 of C2. Suppose 7 common from third row, so R3 to 1 upon 7 of R3, and so on. Now 1 1 1, so let us make 2 entries as 0, and then we can expand using first column. So 2 into, this is as it is. Now if we multiply this by minus 1, add here. First column as it is 1x y, first row as it is. Now we perform R2 to R2 minus R1. First row is multiplied by minus 1, adding the corresponding entries of second row. So 1 minus 1 0, y plus z plus 2x minus x. So x plus y plus z, here y minus y 0. So after using operation R2 to R2 minus R1, now perform R3 to R3 minus R1. So multiply this by minus 1, add here. So 1 minus 1 0, x minus x 0, and z plus x plus 2y minus y. So this is x plus y plus z. So we have used two row operation, R2 to R2 minus R1 and R3 to R3 minus R1. Now you can get idea. Since in first column 2 entries are 0, so let us expand given determinant using first column. So expansion is using this property, plus minus plus, minus plus, minus plus, minus plus. Expand using first column. So 1 into 2 by 2 determine, leave the row and column in which that entry lies. Remaining form 2 by 2 determinant x plus y plus z 0 0, x plus y plus z, and remaining 2 entries are 0, so no need to check the expansion. 0 into 0, that will be 0. Now final simplification is x plus y plus z 1 into x plus y plus z into, so this is 1 into x plus y plus z whole square minus 0. Multiplication, we have to subtract multiplication of the entries of the subsidiary diagonal. So now this is x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z whole square. So this is nothing but 2 into x plus y plus z cube. So you can observe it is nothing but our RHS, which is our RHS 2 times x plus y plus z whole cube.